Dear people watching this video, thank you so much for all the love and support. My name is Shahrukh Sheikh. A lot of people, when you have certain interesting events coming up, like for example, recently we had the India versus Pakistan match. So, to make sure that students are always motivated, you can actually use entertainment applications on the panel. So, let me show you. So, how would Hotstar look on this? So, just click on apps, click on Hotstar, and as soon as you click on Hotstar, in case you have a 4K subscription wherein Hotstar generally takes 1,499 rupees for a year, you can also play the 4K videos, or you can also play up to 1080 pixel videos. So here, just select the genre that you want, right? And in case there's any live match or anything going on, your Hotstar application. So not just for education purposes, but at the same time, if you want it for entertainment purposes, it is fully supported on to our IFPD panel. Thank you so much.